Ekisookera ddala omukka naddala emmoroka ng'efuuwa ekikka amaaso gakubalagala n'otuuka okuziyira n'okolola ebiseera ebimu opaakinga n'ebbali n'osooka ogireko esooke kuwemuko omukka gukenderekendereko.
Our highest disease burden in this city is due to cough, respiratory tract conditions with no infection. They are largely related to pollution. Air pollution attributable death are higher than death attributable to HIV.
We undertook a real-world vehicle emissions testing study here in Kampala City using a novel technique called plume chasing, whereby we can measure the vehicles as they move through the roads. We measured nearly 6,000 different vehicles. We found that most vehicles on average in Kampala emitted well above the Euro 4 vehicle emission standards, which have been recently adopted by the Ugandan government.
Being involved in TRUE, it's very exciting for us as UNEP. Vehicle emissions are on the increase in Africa, with increasing urbanization, poor fuel quality import, the kind of vehicles being imported relying on used vehicles with no proper standards. We can see that it is a serious challenge, and not just in Uganda. We intend to use the results in more African countries because Uganda is representative of most African countries, especially in Central Africa.
One way of causing a paradigm shift is to create evidence. This data is from the street of Kampala. That gives a unique understanding and appreciation of the problem. The TRUE project gave us an opportunity to test and get the real-time data, but also it gave us an opportunity to be able to collaborate. We had the Ministry responsible for energy, the Ministry for transport, the department responsible for environment, the National Environment Management Authorities, and the standards body.
The TRUE emissions testing initiative is extremely important because it aligns very well with the government's development agenda. As Uganda, we've just released our energy transition plan, and in this plan we've committed as a country to reduce on our emissions, and without a doubt what this study will support us to enhance clear strategies to tackle this problem, to ensure a healthy environment, but also healthy citizens of Uganda.
Coming out of this report, there were 3 major recommendations that have the potential to really greatly reduce vehicle emissions. The first one being, it's important that vehicles are required to meet Euro 4 vehicle emission standards before they are imported into Uganda. The second recommendation is to ensure that vehicles, once they come into the country, remain clean, and that can be facilitated through routine vehicle inspection, followed by quality vehicle maintenance. And thirdly, diesel minibuses here in Kampala on average are 25 years of age, and the diesel minibuses over 15 years of age are emitting 6 times more black carbon on average compared to those 8 to 15 years of age. Likely because of their high mileage and really significant contribution to public transportation, and should be prioritized therefore for emission reduction policies, reducing the maximum vehicle age of newly registered minibus taxis to 15, and further reducing that to 8 by 2030.
Omukka gwa bulamu eri bannayuganda baveeyo ku ebyo bye bamaze okunoonyereza babiteekese mu nkola, bakole ebyo, bateekewo emitendera egisobola okuyamba abantu bannayuganda naddala ffe abavuga ebidduka. Bw'oba oyagala okuyamba eggwanga lino kkiriza oba ogaane gw'oba nakazadde.